Hello students, good morning. Myself Shashi Rai from Green Valley English School. In class 11th Political Science, we are going to start a new chapter, that is local governments. In this chapter we will talk about, as you already know, there are three layers of government we have. The first one is at the union level, which we call also central government. After that we have state government, and the last one is the local government. Local government is what? The government which rule over you locally. The government which is present locally. That is the local government. According to the 73rd Amendment Act and 74th Amendment Act of our Indian Constitution in 1992, we have the very first one, the rural local government, that is for the village areas, that is panchayat also. This is also known as panchayati raj institutions. And for the urban local government, we have municipalities. You know, Nagar Nigam, Nagar Palika, Nagar Parishad, all these things are part of local government, urban local government. So we will discuss this in this chapter, local government. The very first one is the introduction. Let's start. In a democracy, it is not sufficient to have an elected government at the center and at the state level. It is also necessary that even at the local level, there should be an elected government to look after local affairs. The very first thing that is we have to deal here, that local affairs. There are some issues which we face locally that doesn't matter with the state level government and the union level government. So there should be a government at local level who will directly deal with the local affairs. That's why we need some local government. In this chapter, you will study the structure of local government in our country. You will also study the importance of local government and ways to give them independent powers. So, what we will read in this chapter, first of all, the structure of our local government. हमारे देश में जो local governments हैं, हमारे यहाँ जितने भी local government हैं, उनका structure क्या है. After that, we will study importance, उनका क्या role है, क्या उनके functions हैं, क्या उनके powers हैं, और कितनी important है, उनका relevance क्या है. And ways to give them independent powers, और क्या वो तरीके हैं, क्या वो tactics हैं, क्या वो provisions हैं जिनके थ्रू हम उनको क्या provide कर रहे हैं. We are empowering them, we are providing them power. After studying this chapter, you will know the importance of local government. After that, the provision of from which we have this the term local government, the provision made by the 73rd and 74th Amendment, and the last but not the least, functions and responsibilities of local government bodies. What are the functions and what are the responsibilities of local government bodies? Now, the very first topic is why local government, and we will start with the two examples. The very first one is Geeta Rathore belongs to Jamania Talab Gram Panchayat, Sihor district, Madhya Pradesh. She was elected Sarpanch in 1995. First of all, please note it down. The word Sarpanch is a synonym of Gram Pradhan or Mukhiya. They are different terms used for the same person or same post, that is Sarpanch or Gram Pradhan or Mukhiya, whatever you can relate with. So she was elected Sarpanch in 1995 from a reserve seat, but in 2000 the village people rewarded her for admirable work by electing her again, this time from a non-reserved seat. We have to understand there is a kind of reservation in the local government, और इनका सबसे पहले बार इनका इलेक्शन हुआ था, इनको सबसे पहले विक्ट्री हासिल हुई थी, जीती थी ये कब 1995 में, बट अगेन इनको फिर से इलेक्ट किया गया है in the year 2000 because of her work, और इस बार इनको जो चुना गया है वो नॉन रिजर्व सीट्स के लिए चुना गया है. दैट मीन्स एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, इन लोकल गवर्नमेंट्स वी हैव प्रोविजन ऑफ रिजर्वेशन ऑफ द सीट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ SC, ST as well as women candidates. So we have 33% reservation in local government for the women, and this time she has been reserved from a she has been elected from a non-reserved seat. From a housewife, Geeta has grown into a leader displaying political farsightedness. She has harnessed the collective energy of her panchayat to renovate water tanks, build a school building, construct village roads, fight against domestic violence and atrocities against women, create environmental awareness and encourage afforestation and water management in her village. Look, her work. उन्होंने क्या क्या काम किया देखिए. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज द रिनोवेशन ऑफ वाटर टैंक्स. सबसे पहले उन्होंने काम किया है, वाटर टैंक को रिनोवेट किया है, स्कूल बिल्डिंग को रिनोवेट किया है. आफ्टर दैट शी कंस्ट्रक्टेड विलेज रोड्स, and then after fight against domestic violation which happens a lot of time in the especially households, and then atrocities against women, creating environmental awareness, even encouraging afforestation. तो इनका जो वर्क आप देख सकते हैं कि एज अ पंचायत, एज अ सरपंच, whatever she has done a tremendous job. We should appreciate it. That's why she has been also awarded. Now we will see the second case. There is another story of yet another woman achiever. What she has achieved, let's see. She was the president sarpanch of a gram panchayat of Vengai Vassal village in Tamil Nadu. In 1997, the Tamil Nadu government allotted 2 hectares of land to 71 government employees. अब 1997 में ये बनती हैं वहाँ की सरपंच, और यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि 71 गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज जो होते हैं तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट को कहती है कि अलॉट 2 हेक्टेयर्स ऑफ लैंड इन जो 71 गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हैं. और किसकी ज़मीन से देंगे? दिस पीस ऑफ लैंड फेल विद इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत. विसिनिटी का मतलब होता है जुरिडिक्शन. अब इनका ये कहाँ किसकी ज़मीन है? ग्राम पंचायत की ज़मीन है, और देना किसको है? गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय को. ऑन द इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हायर अथॉरिटीज, द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर ऑफ कांचीपुरम डायरेक्टेड द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत to pass a resolution endorsing the allotment of said land for the purpose already decided. अब ये कौन ऑर्डर पास किया गया कि जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर हैं कांचीपुरम के, वो ऑर्डर पास करेंगे और इन लोगों को इंश्योर करेंगे कि इन लोगों को ये 2 हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड मिल जाए. और ये लैंड किसका है? ये लैंड है ग्राम पंचायत का, जिनकी ज़मीन उनसे पूछा ही नहीं जा रहा है, और ये डायरेक्ट लैंड पास हो जा रहा है, ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा है. The president and the Gram Panchayat refused to pass such an order, and collector issued an order to acquire the land. और जो प्रेसिडेंट रहती हैं जो ग्राम पंचायत की, वो कहती मना कर देती हैं, रिफ्यूज़ कर देती हैं दैट वी विल नॉट अलाउ दिस, हम नहीं दे, अपनी ज़मीन नहीं देंगे. और इस सिचुएशन में क्या होता है, जो कलेक्टर होते हैं वो ऑर्डर इशू करते हैं. द ग्राम पंचायत फाइल्ड a writ petition in Madras High Court against the collector's action. The single judge bench of the High Court upheld the collector's order and ruled that there was no need to take